between failure, and this is mean time to repair. The department operate 25 machines during 8-hour shift per day, 5 days per week, 52 weeks per year. Each time a machine breaks down costs $200 per hour in lost revenue. A proposal has been given to install a preventive maintenance program in this department. In this program, preventive maintenance will be performed on the machine during the evening, so there will be no interruption to production during the regular shift. The effect of this program, the average MTBF will double, and half of the emergency repair normally accomplished during the day will be during the evening shift. What does that mean literally? Before preventive maintenance was preventive maintenance. بيقولوا لي بالpreventive maintenance ال MTBF هي بذكركم بيكون السيستم is running and then it break down here and it running again. We fix it and then it break down here and it run again. So MTBF here from the second it break down to the second it break down again MTBF, while empty to repair is this period here. So فعليا نحن عنا 400 hours. اوكي وبده 8 ساعات تصليح، يعني هيدا البارت اللي هون هو 392. So when you after we install preventive maintenance هاد 400 زادت ل 800. اوكي النقطة الثانية بيقولوا لي اياها انه نحن we perform preventive maintenance during the evening so there be no interruption. بس الأعطال بعدها كيف احنا قبل كان بدنا we have to stop for 8 hours to fix it. ال 8 hours صار half of it we're doing it at night. Okay. يعني emergency repair half of the emergency repair كنا نعملهم بالنهار and they take 8 hours now they do. ليش؟ بعدهم بدهم 8 ساعات بس 4 ساعات بالنهار و4 ساعات نحن عم نكملهم من عشية. يعني mean time to repair is equal to 4 بينما هون mean time to repair is equal to 8 و mean time between failure is 400 hours. Okay. So if I need to calculate the availability before and after, يعني عندنا نحن هون ال A is equal MTBF minus MTTR divided by MTBF is equal to 400 minus 8 divided by 400. Well, availability here is 800 minus 4 divided by 800. فعليا هون 98% والvalue هون is 99.5%. Okay, this is question A. Determine how many total hours per year the 25 machine in the maintenance program is. Determine how many total hours per year the 25 machine in the department are under repair, both before and after the preventive maintenance program is installed. Okay. يعني فعليا هون عم بيطلبوا منا how many total hours per year the 25 machine as a department are under repair. يعني فعليا دا عم نوقف كل شيء in total. هلا نحن اللي فعليا عنا هون هيدا part A. part B البارت B اللي عنا اياها totals hours. هيدي part B total hours working hours per year هي 5 times 8 times 52 weeks. نحن what we have 2080 hours per year. Okay. without preventive maintenance قبل preventive maintenance and the mean time between failure هي 400. Okay. يعني كل 400 بيصير عنا failure واحد مثل ما مبين عندي هون تخرب مرة. فعليا بال 2080 hours how many times it break down. Okay. فهون يعني 5.2 break down per year. كل وحدة منهم هي 8 ساعات. بدي 8 ساعات repair it. Okay. كل وحدة منهم هي 8 ساعات وعندي أنا 25 ماشين. If I multiply all of them عم بيطلع عندي 1040 ساعة per year. بينما after preventive maintenance the mean time between failure is 800. يعني فعليا 2008 divided by 800 equal 2.6 breakdown per machine. أكيد كل آلة ضرب 25 machine. Okay, times 4 يعني عنا نحنا 260 hours per year. deal. Part C, ignore effects of queuing of the machine. Now we have 25 machines. We're not considering 2 machines are breaking down at the same time, and if they do, we're considering there's enough staff to do all the repair on all of them. Okay, so ignore the preventive maintenance. Ignore the effect of queuing on the machines that might not have to wait for a maintenance crew. Will the preventive maintenance program pay for itself in terms of saving in the cost of lost revenue? هذا السيستم اللي عندي إذا أنا always I have enough people to fix it ما في queue. will it pay for itself إيه أو لا؟ okay. بذكركم إنه نحن عنا $200 برابع سطر هي lost revenue per machine. okay. أنا عندي 1040 ساعة per year اللي هي total breakdown time per year. إذا if I multiply this times 200 يعني عنا نحن هون $208,000 per year. يعني فعليا قديش راح علي بالlost revenue. بدي أشوف هلا with preventive maintenance after performing preventive maintenance are things better إيه أو لا مع ال preventive maintenance. deal. بالpreventive maintenance نحن عنا with preventive maintenance عم بيروح علي with preventive maintenance نحن عم بيروح عنا اللي شفناها قبل شوي 260 hours per year اللي عملناها ببارت بي. إذا ضربت أنا هودي $200 يعني عندي أنا $52,000 per year. okay. النقطة الثانية بدي أشوف أنا الليبر. The cost of the maintenance crew will be $1,500 per week. However, a reduction of maintenance personnel on the day shift will result in a saving during the regular shift of $700. okay. يعني أنا عم بوفر $700. يعني عندي أنا الليبر cost كان قبل 1500 minus 700 $800 per week. okay. بالسنة times 52 هني هو $41,600 per year. يعني with preventive maintenance عندنا نحن 52,000 plus 41,600 $93,600 per year. so the program is feasible. يعني أنا عم بوفر من 208,000 صرت عم بدفع على 93,000. but I'm always assuming there is no queue. the machines are not waiting to be fixed. يعني if the machines are waiting to be fixed بدك تشتغلوا بهيدي الطريقة. بدك تقولوا مثلا 4 hours اللي يمكن أنا نحن بالday shift و 8 و 4 another 4 in the night. okay. I'm doing preventive maintenance in the evening or at night. هودي 4 hours they don't remain as they are. يعني في probability إنه هيدي يمكن 50% I need 6 hours و 50% I need 4 hours. okay. so إذا بطلع هودي صارت هي 5